Hi guys, now the Go 4 has 4.2 watts of output power, while the Clip 5 has 7 watts, so a difference between the two in terms of output power there. The drivers / transducers of both speakers are the same in diameter, both at 45mm or 1.75 inches. Now there's a variety of music in this test which not only serves the purpose for different personal taste, but it's also very important as these small speakers can sound different, better or worse in fact, depending on the type of music being played. And also don't forget guys, some songs are produced better and also mixed at a slightly higher or lower volume than other songs, something just to bear in mind and consider while listening to these types of tests. Full specs comparison between these two in another video at the end of this video in the end screen, and also in a link in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. Timestamps below also guys to switch between tracks if you want to, but I urge you to listen to all the tracks as some really do sound better than others, especially the jazz and classical cello music by no other than Bach. Now these are both recorded straight from the box guys, so either one can be tweaked to your personal preferences in the mobile app. And please let me know what you think in the comments below guys, your thoughts are important to me.